So how is Frame different compared to Citrix, Microsoft, VMware, Amazon? Interesting question. See if I can answer that question in condensed format. Many of our competitors and or partners are born in the era of software, or Frame is born in the era of as a service. That's a huge differentiation, a huge differentiator. When you're born in the era of as a service, like Frame is, it's like API driven, extreme simple to use, multi-cloud, multi-tenancy, consumption-based models. These are the core elements, the core ingredients of as a service, like Frame is. And when you're born in the era of as software, maybe 20 years ago, 25 years ago, nothing wrong with that. Both has its pros and cons. And what I see happening is that partners, vendors born in the era of software, trying to move to as a service, which makes sense because there is a lot of customer and partner demand for as a service. But it's not easy at all. And sometimes companies struggle with that. Microsoft, great example. Probably 5 years ago, they announced a service called Azure Remote App, ARA, which is software, try to bring it as a service. And it failed, it didn't work. And right now they are in the early days of releasing Windows Virtual Desktop, which is desktop as a service, designed from day one as a service. And that's one of the key differentiation between as a service or as software. And Frame is designed as a service with the beauty of running as a service. The control plane is a service, but you can run workloads in public cloud, multi-tenancy, multi-cloud, but also workloads in an on-premises environment by leveraging the cloud service, like the control plane as a service. And if you combine these two worlds, then you benefit from both. You benefit from the simplicity of as a service, Frame, and run workloads in public cloud where it makes sense, or run workloads, Windows DaaS and apps on premises where it makes sense. And that's what Frame makes unique in this space.